Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to grow Artemisia or wormwood. And it's a beautiful herb. It's also a shrub that's from Asia and Europe. Now, wormwood is found in southern Europe all the way through into temperate Asia. So when they say temperate Asia, they mean the warmer climates of Asia. So mostly through southern China and into Malaysia and even into Taiwan. Now, it's a beautiful plant because of its foliage. It has beautiful silver foliage. And because it's from arid climates, that means really dry climates, it doesn't like to sit in it doesn't like to sit in really wet soil because it can rot out. And Artemisia is related to French tarragon. So it's kind of a herb, and it spreads by rhizomes. So when you start them, you can start them by seed or some of the rhizomes, which are just kind of a little root. So you just plant them about 2 to 3 inches deep. And leave them in sun if you live in a climate that's a little cooler near the coast. But if you live in really hot climate, then put them in part shade and they'll do better. And you can use the Artemisia with wine and different types of chicken dishes. And it's a beautiful plant that's gorgeous in the garden as well as in the kitchen.